Let's do one more question, which I find is really tricky. This one here. So, favorite subject is up here, and their university major. So what makes this question tricky is it has two different sections which have the same names in it. So let's just paste it over here. So, what is the probability that a student's favorite subject was mathematics in school? So you need to look at the key words in this sentence. The key word being favorite. Favorite is also up here. So that means we are looking for this mathematics here because we're after the favorite subject. Because favorite is here. So this here would be the total number of people who liked mathematics as their favorite subject. And so this would just be 210 out of 760. So what is the probability that a student majoring in music or arts at university? So we've got two keywords here which match this here. So we want music or arts. So we've got music and we have arts. So the total number of people who choose music or arts would be these two numbers here. So there would be a total of 338. So this one here would be 338 over 760. So what is the probability that a student's favorite subject was music and they studied something different? So we want music in this one because we want their favorite subject to be music, and they studied something different at university. So that means they studied not music. So that means we don't want the music section. So now we can see that we only want these numbers in here. So this here is our total. So we want to have these three numbers divided by that one because we're only interested in the students who did. So this one would be 61 plus 53 plus 38 over 219. So what is the probability that a student's major is the same as their favorite subject? So this is another tricky word. You have to think about what it's asking. So what is the probability that a student's major is the same as their favorite subject? So we are looking at students' favorite subjects and their university major. So if a student's favorite subject was mathematics, they must also have a major in the same thing. So that would mean that we want mathematics and mathematics here. So we would want this one here. Now this one here we want science, but they also need to have science as their major. So that meets up here. Their favorite subject is music, so they also have to study university music. So that means we want this number here. And art, we also want their major to be art. That means we want this number here. So we would have to add these numbers together, and this would be out of the total number of students. So this would be 76 plus 46 plus 67 plus 74 over 760. So you can chuck that into a calculator. This is probably the hardest question out of all of them. So hopefully me going through all these examples helps. Good luck with the questions. I will see you in the next video.